Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz, and now I finally, with the help of my friend Ulla, thanks a lot, was able to get my hands on a pair of Off-White. It's unbelievable how hard for me it's been to get a pair of Off-White Nike 10 sneakers. It's almost like I've tried on everything, like every single release on Sneakers app, every single release on almost like every kind of outlet in Europe, trying to get a single pair from anywhere. Up until this point, I've never been able to get it, but now thanks to my friend Ulla, I finally got a pair, and I'm super thrilled, super excited because I've always wanted to review these awesome Off-White deconstructed sneakers because I really love them. So this is what today's review is going to be about, the Nike swoosh. Taking a look at the front, it says the 10 Nike Air Max 90. I got it in a size 11, and the color is Parachute Beige Bright Mango. And what other things do we have on this box? So what's cool about this box is that it's reversed. I'm going to go into that in a little bit, but it says Off-White as shoebox, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. And then there's nothing else on it except a little bit of writing underneath the box. But what's cool about it is that if we open it up, you can see this is normally the outside of an Air Max 90 and other models as well. So that's what's cool about it. So deconstructed, Virgil thought about everything. And by the way, Virgil is a man that is doing everything. And not understanding at all how he has the time to DJ, Louis Vuitton, Nike, Off-White, blah, 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 IKEA, blah, blah, like everything. He's doing everything. Big kudos. Big thumbs up to Virgil. Awesome. So anyway, so this, straight away we have these awesome paper with the Off-White logo and the Nike swoosh and everything. There's a lot of things going on the paper. Dual. And then finally, yes. Finally, I got my hands on a pair of Off-Whites. And like I mentioned, I have tried every single release thus far. And now they're saying that there is no more releases coming with the Off-White with the 10 with Nike. So if that is true, then I was happy that I finally got a pair. Because so this is what it looks like. I got this Desert Ore. This is what it looks like. Really nice. Yeah, so I got this Desert Ore version. There was also a black and white version released. I wanted both, but I only got this one. But hey, I'm still happy because I finally got a pair. So the upper of this shoe is made out of synthetic materials and then also suede. So everything is beige, this very nice color, and then we have this, what did they say here? They said, yeah, bright mango. Everybody is like a bright mango, pinkish, orangey kind of color on the swoosh, stitched on swoosh. So what's cool about the Off-White, probably everyone already knows this, but this is a deconstructed shoe. So Virgil has like deconstructed everything. So he put on stitching on the swoosh and made everything visible at top so you can see the foam and so on and so on. Same with the box, you can flip it. So everything is deconstructed inside out, just playing with the design. I really like it. Even the first time I saw it when the 10 was going to be released, I was like, hey, this is a really cool collaboration, and Virgil really made it happen. Moving up, we have flat laces all the way up. And one thing that Virgil is doing is the quotes. So we have the shoelaces, and there is also, yeah, there is a second pair as well with the same, I keep forgetting, bright mango. So yes, we have the shoelaces and this bright mango as well. I don't really know which one is gonna look the best. Maybe I can lace it up, one with this one that came with it, the beige one, and then one with the bright mango. Okay, let's do that in the on feet section later on. So that's what it looks like. Moving on, we have the tongue, and the tongue is also deconstructed. First thing is that At the top, we can see the foam material, really, really nice. And then at the side, instead of having the Nike Air logo at the top of the tongue, it says now, it is here at the side of the tongue. So that is really cool as well. Let's just open this one up a little bit so we can take a better look. Yeah, so see here, so it's placed at the side, really, really nice. And then one thing that has turned into a little bit of a trademark. I am not the biggest fan, boo, I know. I like that this one comes with it. This is a nice little thingy. But me personally, I would never walk around with this one on it. I'm sorry. It looks cool, but this, I would just be annoyed. This one would just like be in the way all the time. So for me, no. Other guys, it's cool. If you want to rock it like this, go ahead. But for me, no. I'll probably keep it in one of the on-feet sections so you can see what it looks like when it's like dangling right here. But the rest of that, I'm going to take it away, just so you know. So yeah, so then we have the Nike stitched on logo with this little green flap right here. And then on the inner side of the shoe, it says Off-White, trademark for Nike, Nike Air Max 90, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, and then 1990. So this is also a little trademark that comes with all the 10 shoes. Looks really, guys, I'm super happy to have this in my hand, and I can't really wait to try it out and really walk around with it, because that's what I want. I want this pair on my feet. I want to just rock it. That's it. And then if we're taking a look inside of the shoe, take this one out, we have this, it says the 10, and then we have the Off-White logo as well. And the information label is placed, like always, on the inner side of the shoe in the middle, a little bit towards the back. And that is it on the inner side. Continuation of the foam, visible foam, just like the tongue continues here in the top as well. And on the back, we have this one as well. The flap at the top is a little bit flappy. I like it. It sticks out a little bit, makes it look really cool. And that's it. Taking a look underneath the shoe, yes, we do. Nothing has changed here. This is the classic Air Max 90 outsole in one color. Normally, infrared and so on. Maybe it's black and red in the middle, or so on and so on. But this one, Virgil wanted to keep it in one color. So that's really, really cool. So that was like a little quick review. I really can't wait to put this on feet. So let's do that straight away. What do you guys think about this one on feet? I gotta say, I am loving it. This pair is awesome. It's really, really good. And now, if I could pick one of the two, the black or this one, I'm happy that I got this one, because this one really sticks out a little bit more compared to the black and white. The black and white is super nice. I am loving it. Like I said before, if I was able to get both of them, I would rock both of them. But this one sticks out a little bit more, makes it a little bit more unique. So if you have this one on feet, people will notice it a little bit more compared to if you have the black and white one, which looks a little bit like general Air Max 90. But hey, I'm still loving both of them. So I got US 11, which is my true to size. So go with your true to size. Maybe half a size up. The funny thing about this one compared to my regular ones, I have Air Max 90s in both 10.5 and 11, and my Air Max 90 infrared is 10.5, and I can rock it no problem at all. But with this one, I believe it is a little bit tighter because of the the foam at the back, I believe that has to be it or something like that. Because this one is a little bit more snug fitted compared to our regular Air Max 90. So for people that have a little bit wider feet, or like me, my left foot is a little bit bigger than my right foot. So on my left foot, this one, my toe is not hitting, but I have just a teeny weeny little space at the front. And with my Air Max 90 infrared's 10.5, this is 11. My 10.5 feels almost the same like this one, but this is half a size up. So I believe that if you have Air Max 90 and you're true to sizes, you feel like it's really snug fitted, I would probably go half a size up. That's my first impression after walking with this one for a little bit. So yeah, there's a lot of things going on in this shoe. The big zip tie, deconstructed, stitched swoosh, off-white. I am loving this, and like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm super happy to have this in my collection, and I will definitely rock this one very soon. So that was it for my little review. What do you guys think about off-white? If we should do like a little list or something like that, what is your top favorites of the off-white, the 10 with Nike? Leave a comment down below and let's start to discuss a little bit what you guys think about this shoe. Is this one your favorite, or is there like the Blazers, the Vapor Maxes, or leave a comment down below and let's discuss the ranking of your personal favorites of the off-white collection. So thank you guys for watching. See you very soon again. Take care. Bye-bye.